Good afternoon, everyone. As introduced, my name is Eun-young Yang, head of CDO business team at Samsung Biologics. Today, I'd like to present to you how Samsung Biologics is contributing to our client product success. We are providing faster and better development and manufacturing service for our client, your success to IND and BLA. Samsung Biologics is a part of Samsung Group. As you know, Samsung has been doing great in electronics for the last 40 years. However, we believe that next 40 years will be an era of biohealthcare industry integrated with IT technologies. So, on this basis, in 2010, Samsung announced to enter into biopharmaceutical business for its future growth engine. Now, under the Samsung Healthcare section, there are a few of affiliates companies, including Samsung Biologics, Samsung Bioapis, Samsung Medical Center, and Samsung Medical Device. Samsung Biologics was founded in April 2011 under the leadership of Dr. T.H. Kim. We are located in Sonder, Incheon Free Economic Zone, near from Incheon International Airport in South Korea. Our current number of employees is about 2,300, with over 100 global experts with over 20 to 30 years of experience in biologics development and manufacturing. For the first 5 years since our foundation, we focused mainly on large commercial manufacturing service for both drug substance and drug product. Once we became global #1 CMO company, then we started to provide the early stages development and manufacturing service, from cell line development to IND filing. From this year, we are expanding our service further to CRO, including stability test, release test, and biosafety testing. With all these integrated CDO, CMO, and CRO services, as a true one-stop provider, CRDO partner, Samsung Biologics is providing full end-to-end service, ensuring your success to IND and BLA. Samsung Biologics, we are translating our client great idea into a reality. Our highly experienced, dedicated CDO R&D scientist group will make sure your molecule ready for IND filing. We are providing full integrated development and manufacturing service for IND filing, from cell line development, MCB banking and characterization, then process development including USP, DSP, formulation, and analytical method development. Then we are manufacturing tox material using 200-liter disposable bioreactors. Then fully developed process is transferred to our manufacturing team for phase 1 material production for both drug substance and drug product, including stability test. We are also providing regulatory expert consultation service, ensuring your successful IND filing and approval. In addition, we have extensive experience and expertise developing various kinds of molecule types, from monoclonal antibody, fusion protein, bispecific, multispecific antibody, and bispecific fusion protein, to all the other difficult to development molecule types. The essence of Samsung Biologics development and manufacturing service is high speed, better quality, and low cost. Our dedicated CDO R&D scientists will work as a part of your team members with great responsibility and full commitment. It takes about 4 months for cell line development, and 4.5 months for process development, then continue with tox material production for both drug substance and drug product. Then also phase 1 material using 1,000 liter either disposable or stainless steel bioreactors. It takes about 12 months from cell line development to phase 1 material production. Then we continue with the stability study, then preparation of IMPD and IND filing for our client. On average, it takes about 18 months from cell line development to IND filing. As you know, cell line development is one of the most important steps for development, early stage development for IND filing. Our highly experienced cell line development group is providing high-quality cell line development service using chosen platform through the partnership with Merck. It takes 2 months for first screening, then 1 month for single-cell cloning, then another 1 month for second screening. After 4 months, 3 top RCBs are generated. Then select one top RCB for MCB banking and characterization through stability studies and fed batch studies. In addition, to provide maximum flexibility and lowest cost of goods for our client, so that our client can be more competitive to win the market after commercialization, we do not charge any royalty payment. Also, we do not charge any milestone payment for our cell line development service. Samsung Biologics is famous for our plant construction and operation expertise. Conventionally, it takes about 4 to 5 years to build biomanufacturing facilities. However, we made it within 2.5 years for our plant number 1, plant number 2, and plant number 3 by applying Samsung's accumulated know-how and technologies, so-called concurrent processing. For process development with the CDO service, we are applying same concept of this concurrent processing, which means our process development experts are performing all the process development USP, DSP, formulation, and analytical method development in parallel all together. So it takes about 4.5 months for process development. This is one of the examples of our performance with the cell line development and process development and optimization. Cell line technologies, we have not only about Merck chosen platform, but also our Samsung Biologics own platform technologies, another type of GS knockout system. This dark blue graph represents our cell line development performance with using chosen platform. We are achieving over 5 grams per liter for monoclonal antibody using chosen platform, then over 4 grams per liter titer for other types of molecules such as bispecific, multispecific antibody, and also fusion protein and bispecific fusion proteins. With our own cell line, we are achieving much better in terms of productivity. We are achieving over 11 grams per liter for monoclonal antibody using our own cell line platform technologies. From the beginning of next year, we believe that we can provide our cell line development service either using either a chosen platform or our own cell line technologies according to our client choice. Also, to provide maximum flexibility and lowest cost of goods for our client, our R&D team is mainly using commercial media rather than proprietary media. Also, this is one of the examples of the media changes. This molecule, one of the client molecule, was developed by other CDMO using their proprietary media, then transferred to us for process development and cGMP manufacturing. At that time, our client requested, if possible, to change the media to commercial media. So our USB expert successfully switched it to commercial media while increasing titer from 3 grams per liter to 6 grams per liter. From this year, we are expanding our service to CRO. Our biosafety lab will be ready for operation from later this year so that we can provide microplasma test, adventitious virus test, and microbial test in-house. Out of 2,300 employees, about 700 employees are for quality functions, quality controls, and quality assurance. With the great support of this and a lot of great number of the quality functions, we are also providing contract QC service for stability test and release test. Samsung Biologics, everybody knows about our large-scale, commercial-scale bioreactors with global number 1. We have total and manufacturing capacity with 364,000 liters. Sometimes I'm surprised because some people do not even recognize about our small-scale manufacturing service. However, we have 2 dedicated small-scale manufacturing facilities for early stage development and manufacturing service. We call it CMP1 and CMP2. CMP1 is a hybrid facility. It has 2 of 1,000 liter stainless steel bioreactors, and purification and DSP is disposables. It has been operational from 2017. Also, somebody says that Samsung Biologics, all facilities are about stainless steel. We don't have any single-use facilities. It is not true. Our CMP2 is a single-use facility. It has 2 of 1,000 liter disposable bioreactors. It will be operational from April 2020, next year. Using CMP, we can provide much smaller batch size from 200, 500 liter, and 1,000 liter, according to our client manufacturing demand. This is more detailed overview of Samsung Biologics, our state-of-the-art facilities with flexibility. We have 2 small-scale facilities with CMP1 and CMP2, and 3 commercial facilities, DS1, DS2, and DS3, and 2 DP facilities, DP1 and DP2. Since we have drug substance facilities and drug product fill and finish facilities are located at the same site, we can provide fully integrated drug substance and drug product service, which means our client, you don't have to deal with extra time and cost to transfer your drug substance manufactured to other sites for fill and finish service. Samsung Biologics, we built a mega plant every 2 years with a total capacity of 364,000 liters in 7 years. Our plant number 1 is industry standard. It has 6 of 5,000 liter bioreactors with a total capacity 30,000 liters. Our plant number 2 used to be the single largest plant before we had our plant number 3. It has 4 of 1,000 liter and 10 of 15,000-liter bioreactors. Total capacity, 154,000 liters. Our plant number 3 is the most innovative plant. We applied Samsung's all of advanced technologies and know-how, such as N-1 perfusion to plant number 3. So we call it Dream Plant. It has 12 of 15,000-liter bioreactors. Also, we are adding multiple single-use systems to meet increasing our client demands and requests for early stages development and manufacturing services. Since we are providing development and manufacturing services, lots and more clients are transferring their project from other CDMOs to us. The main reason why they are coming to us is because about high quality and high speed and low cost. Samsung Biologics, we are maximizing our client satisfaction by delivering your molecule from the beginning to the end. Not only about drug substance manufacturing service, we are providing drug product fill and finish service from non-GMP DP, clinical DP, and also commercial DP. On top of that, we are also providing formulation development service for liquid and lyovials. Since its foundation, Samsung Biologics, we have established a significant number of partnerships with large global biopharmas such as BMS, Roche, and Sun Pharma, and also small biotech companies such as Immunoncia, GI Innovation, and Utrex. So far, we made 34 contracts for CMO, 27 contracts for CDO, and 7 contracts for CRO. As a true one-stop CRDMO company, today I can tell you, we will be a best choice of your development and manufacturing partner. We are serving all different sizes of clients regardless of your product molecule type, development stages, or global location. Samsung Biologics is well known. It's our quality execution excellence. This picture was taken at the lobby of our plant number 2 when we first received the FDA regulatory approval in November 2015 with 0 observation. So far, we have received a total 29 regulatory approvals, 8 from FDA, 7 from EMA, 3 from PMDA, and 11 from others such as Health Canada and Health Switzerland. Also, as we did with our plant construction and operations, we shortened further with regulatory approval timeline. For plant number 2, it only took 19 months to BLA approval. Samsung Biologics quality and operational execution excellence while maximizing our client satisfaction is officially proven by receiving Global CMO Leadership Awards for all 6 categories in 3 consecutive years, in 2017 and 2018 and 2019. This is a picture of our Sonder Bio Campus. That plant number 1 and plant number 2 are connected through spine, warehouse, and QC lab, and plant number 3 are there. And our small scale CMP1 and CMP2 are located within plant number 2. And also there is extra space for our future expansion. As your most qualified world-leading CRDMO partner, Samsung Biologics delivers your success to IND and BLA faster and better with maximum flexibility. We promise the best. Here is our contact information. If you have any further questions about Samsung Biologics, or do you have any interest about our development and manufacturing services, please contact us anytime. We respond to our client request within 24 hours. Thank you for your attention.